Welcome back to Vocastle. Today's study materials is Cambridge 18 Test 1. I collected a lot of words and I filtered out all the essential vocabularies for my own revision. If you need it, you can download it right now in the description below. And by the way, if you're curious about how this learning framework actually works, let me show you real quick.